Welcome to another episode of Kookievision. In this video, I'm going to be making a Chubby Chick. And I'm starting out with a bunny head that I have flipped upside down. And you can find this cutter in the 101 cookie cutter bucket by Wilton. And I'm outlining the top, so this is the body of the chick plus his wings. And I've got a piping consistency yellow royal icing here in a number 2 tip, and I just outlined the outside and I'm filling it in with a flooding consistency of the same color. And you can get this color by mixing together a little bit of gold with some lemon yellow when you go to dye your royal icing. This is a soft gel dye that I use. I find it a lot better and more concentrated than some of the liquid colors. I always use gel colors in my royal icing. So I've let this crust over just a little bit, and I want to give them some extra dimension, so I just want to pipe on the wings as opposed to just kind of outlining them afterwards, and I just want to give them a little bit of extra detail. So I've outlined the wings with a piping consistency yellow, the same color as I used for the body, and I outlined those wings and filled them in with a flooding consistency, the same flooding consistency I used to fill in the rest of his body. And I'm using my scribe tool to even everything out and get rid of any air bubbles. Now I've let this dry overnight, or you can just let it dry for about 6 hours or so until they're completely dry. And I've got a chocolate brown soft gel dye that I've mixed together with a touch of vodka to make it diluted. And I'm just splattering them with this paint kind of consistency with a paintbrush in my finger. And I've also got some pink lustre dust, and I just use a cotton swab to kind of dab it on his cheeks. And I've also got a brush here to wipe off the excess. Now just remember to make sure you let that splatter dry a little bit before you do this, otherwise you're going to smudge it everywhere. I've also got a piping consistency orange royal icing here with a number 1 tip, and I'm piping his little legs, or rather very long legs, and his beak as well. His beak is just a little teardrop shape upside down. And I've got some black soft gel dye mixed with a touch of vodka again. And I'm using the back of my paintbrush to give him some cute beady eyes. And there we go, we've got a cute chubby chick for spring or Easter. And if you take a look at my other videos in my library, you'll see that I used the same cutter to create a variety of different Easter and spring shapes. So thanks for watching, guys. Be sure to like me on Facebook and on Instagram. Bye!